Here are a few more ahadith. 1. Narrated Anas bin Malik, R.A. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself." Bukhari, Muslim. 2. Narrated Abu Huraira, R.A. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, but there is good in both." Muslim. 3. Narrated Aisha, R.A. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Allah is gentle and loves gentleness in all matters." Bukhari, Muslim. 4. Narrated Abu Huraira, R.A. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Charity does not decrease wealth." Muslim. Would you like more ahadith or specific ones on a particular topic?